Hello, welcome to the Maths Academy. We have to simplify the most interesting maths problem, that is 64 to the power of 4 minus 32 to the power of 5. We have to simplify this by very easy method. So, we know that 64 is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, 8 times 2 is equal to 16, 16 2 times is equal to 32, 32 2 times is equal to 64. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 64 is equal to 2 to the power of 6. And we also know that 32 is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, 8 times 2 is equal to 16, 16 2 times is equal to 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. So 32 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Now we have to write 2 to the power of 6 in place of 64, and we have to write 2 to the power of 5 in place of 32. So this will become 2 to the power of 6 to the whole power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 5 in place of 32 whole 5 is equal. We have to simplify this. We know that m a to the power of m whole n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So to apply this condition here, this will become 2 to the power of 6 4s are 24 minus 2 5 5 25. No, 2 to the power of 24 minus 2 to the power of 25 can be written as 2 to the power of 24 plus 1. Now we know that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we can written this as 2 to the power of 24 minus 2 to the power of 24 times 2 to the power of 1. Now we have to common 2 to the power of 24. This will become 2 to the power of 24 bracket 1 minus 2. 2 to the power of 24, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. 2 to the power of 24 can be written as 2 to the power of 20 plus 4 into minus 1. We have to apply this identity here, so this will become 2 to the power of 24, 2 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 4 into minus 1. 2 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So 16 times minus 1. Now 2 to the power of 20 can be written as 10 times 2 times 16 times minus 1. By applying this identity, we can write this as 2 to the power of 10 whole 2 times 16 times minus 1. Now we know that 2 to the power of 10 is equal to the most famous number 1024. Now we have to write 1024 in place of 2 power of 10. This will become 1024 to the power of 2 times 16 times minus 1. Now we can simplify this by two methods. In the method first, we can write it as 1000 plus 24 whole square, and then we have to apply the identity a plus b whole square. And the second method, we have to multiply 1024 with the 1024. So we have to apply the second method. 1024 times 1024 times 16 times minus 1. 1024 bracket, this can be written as 1000 plus 20 plus 4 into 16 times minus 1. Now we have to multiply 1024 with 1000, then with 20, and then with 4. So 0 multiply 1024 will become 0. 0 multiply 1024 will become 0. 0 multiply 1024 will become 0. 1 multiply 1024 will become 1024 plus 0 multiply 1024 will become 0. 2 multiply 1024, 2 4 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 0 0, and 2 1s are 2, plus 4 4 16, 4 2 8, 4 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4, times 16 times minus 1. Here one mistake occur. 4 4 16, 1 carried, 4 2s are 8, and 1 9. So this will become 4096. Now we have to add them. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 17 plus 0 is equal to 17. So 1 carried here. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. And 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And 0, 1. 1,48,576 times 16 times minus 1. Now we have to multiply this with 16. So 1,48,576 times 10 plus 16 times minus 1. First we have multiply this with 10 and then with 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Sorry. So then we have to multiply this with 6. So first we have to multiply with 10. So 0 multiply this number is equal to 0, and 1 multiply this number is equal to this number, 1,48,576 plus 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. 3 carried. 6 multiply 7 is equal to 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. 4 carried here. 6 5 the 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. 3 carried. 6 multiply 8 is equal to 48, 49, 50, 51. 5 carried here. 6 4s are 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. 2 carried. 6 zeros are 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 ones are 6. So this is 6,291,456 times minus 1. Now we have to add them. So 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 1 carried here. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 1 carried here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carried. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. And 1. 16,000,000 777,216 times minus 1, and to multiply this with minus 1, this will become minus 16,777,260, and this is the final answer. Thank you for watching.